Have you ever needed a quick and automatic screenshot of a scene? Well, I noticed that Godot already does this when you save a scene. You can see it when you export a PackedScene variable. I did some digging, and I found that you can get access to this texture. Before starting, if you just want to copy-paste this tutorial, I'll leave a GitHub repo with all the code and assets in the description. The class that handles these previews is called Editor Resource Preview, but only the editor has a valid instance. You can get it from an editor plugin, so first we need a plugin. In the ready function, we get the editor interface and then the resource previewer and store it in a variable. Now you can use QResourcePreview and pass the scene you want the texture from, and where to send it. This class works on a thread, so it's not instantaneous. When the preview is ready, it will be sent to the defined method. The problem with this is, this only works from the plugin itself. You can't get your active instance, at least directly. Thankfully, version 4.1 comes to the rescue with static variables. With it, we can make the editor resource preview variable static, meaning all instances of the plugin share the same variable. So finally, we add a class name for the editor plugin, and now the resource previewer can be simply accessed from this class without actually having the instance. The texture is pretty small. If you want bigger resolutions, you can change this setting in the editor settings, file dialog, thumbnail size. Another way is to create our own custom resource preview generator, but that's way more complex than this tutorial, as it seems you have to do it from scratch. Anyways, hope this was useful. I actually use this to make quick icons for inventories in 3D games, or when I have to handle scenes in a plugin. Goodbye.